These are the new Soundcore Space Q45. They're a freshly announced pair of wireless headphones that are a part of Soundcore's new Space series. These headphones are designed to focus on giving you quiet personal time with ultimate noise cancellation and extended battery life. Soundcore claims that the Space Q45 can reduce up to 98% of noise around you and deliver up to 50 hours of playtime. That's a bold claim for a pair of headphones that come in at a mid-range price. It seems a little too good to be true, but Soundcore has been an exciting brand to watch as of late, and these things only continue that hot streak. The Q45 feature 40mm double-layered diaphragm silk drivers for booming sound, AI-enhanced calls from 2 built-in microphones, multi-point Bluetooth connectivity, a normal and customized transparency mode, a sleek, comfortable design with plushy ear cups, and much more. On paper, these things offer a lot of bang for your buck, but before we get into my full review, let's rewind a little bit and do a quick unboxing. So about 2 weeks ago, Soundcore sent me an incredible introductory surprise to the new Space series. Inside, there was the new Space A40 true wireless earbuds and the Space Q45 wireless headphones. We'll talk more about the Space A40 buds in a separate review. Just like the Space Q45, they feature adaptive active noise cancellation and up to 50 hours of total playtime, 10 from the buds and up to 50 total with the case. I am stoked to check these things out. They might just be the best bang for your buck earbuds that you can buy yet. We're gonna have to wait and see. In addition to the Space A40, Soundcore also included the Space Q45, which include a very nice carrying case in the box, a 3.5mm audio cable, USB-C charging cable, as well as the headphones themselves. The Q45 are a very good looking pair of headphones that also feel very well built. They're mostly made of plastic, but the headband is solid and the ear cups are super plushy for enhanced comfort. Overall, they feel very well made. Soundcore also included a passport cover in the surprise package along with the notebook, which I thought was a pretty cool touch considering that the Space series was designed with travel in mind. As far as sound quality goes, I'm happy to report that the Space Q45 sound really good, like really good. The bass is deep, the mids are clear, and the highs are nicely detailed. Honestly, when I put them on for the first time, I was not surprised at all about being impressed by them. Soundcore has been on a roll lately, releasing headphones that you just cannot go wrong with when it comes to sound quality. I've used these things for everything from listening to music, to gaming on my Switch, to streaming shows, and they just rock. Out of the box, these things sound really good. However, like other Soundcore headphones, you can also fine-tune the sound to your liking in the companion Soundcore app. Where things get interesting though is with the active noise cancellation. It's the main selling point of these headphones. Soundcore claims that the Space Q45 can reduce noise around you by up to 98%. Now, I can't measure that number, but I was able to test that claim last week while traveling. The Q45 did an awesome job of tuning out the noise going on around me. With no sound playing, they did a good job of reducing the voices of people talking and reducing the sound from the plane. When you start playing music or some type of sound, it's easy to see where Soundcore gets that 98% from. You can still hear very little in a loud environment like being on a plane, but overall it's easy to tune that little bit out. These things lock you in. Active noise cancellation here is incredible on the Space Q45. In addition to noise cancelling, these headphones also have a normal mode with no active noise cancellation on and a customizable transparency mode for when you need to listen in on the world. You know, that is if you want to. On top of all that, these things are also surprisingly good for calls. The Space Q45 have 2 built-in microphones and use AI to focus on your voice and enhance the overall call quality. Whenever I got a call, the other person was able to hear me just fine and I could hear them back just fine. I haven't had an issue, so calls sound really good on these things too. One of my personal favorite features of the Space Q45 is that multi-point Bluetooth connection. This means that you can pair these headphones with a number of different devices and not have to disconnect them from one and pair them with another. For example, I have them paired with my iPhone and my Nintendo Switch Lite. No matter which one I'm using, the Q45 seamlessly connect to one or the other. This is one of those features that makes a huge difference if you use different devices throughout your day. As far as battery life goes, Soundcore rates the Space Q45 at 50 hours of playtime. That is a truly insane number for a headphone in this price range, especially when you factor in all the features. If you have noise cancellation off though, that number can jump even higher to about 65 hours, so these things will definitely last you a while. I had these headphones for about 2 weeks now, and as I mentioned before, I took them with me on a week-long vacation last week, so they've seen a lot of travel and a lot of use. Throughout that time, I only managed to get these things down to about 75%. That is no exaggeration. I only charged them once when I took them out of the box, and that was it so far. The Space Q45 will easily get you through long flights, long listening sessions, long gaming sessions, long movie sessions, maybe even all of them combined, and you'll still have some juice left to spare. The battery life on these things is unreal. And finally, the last area for us to talk about in this review is comfort. The Space Q45 shine in their comfort. I wore them for almost the entirety of a 5-hour flight and experienced experience little to no discomfort. These headphones are pretty lightweight and they don't put too much pressure on your head, so it's easy to keep them on for long periods of time. Comfort is one of the most important things to look out for when buying headphones, and these are some of the most comfy that I've ever worn. They're probably one of the best that you can get at the moment. At the end of the day, the new Soundcore Space Q45 are a fantastic pair of wireless headphones that are gonna satisfy a lot of people. Whether you use them to travel, game, go to the gym, or just hang out and listen to music or watch a movie, the Space Q45 excel big time. On top of that, they have that excellent sound quality and active noise cancellation, incredible battery life, great microphones for calls, and most importantly, they're super comfortable to wear for long periods of time. Those are all of the key ingredients that make for a fantastic pair of headphones that are easy for me to recommend. Soundcore knocked it out of the park with these things. The new Space Q45 are incredible headphones. Anywho, that's about it for this video, my friends. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did and you liked what you saw, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to follow at Raymond Strazdas on Twitter and Instagram for much more. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!